Dave Porter with Vouch Video. When it comes to deck railing, if you're looking for a manufacturer of not only deck railing, but fencing, I'm standing with Mario from Great Railing. Great Railing really has established itself as one of the industry leaders with product and service. Tell me about your background and how you got involved with designing and building quality fencing products as well as decking products.
I have over 35 years in the industry. At 15 years old, I built a deck for my parents. And after getting done with that deck, I had neighbors paying me to help them build decks. And the first year out, we wound up doing 25 decks. The year after that, we jumped it up to 52 decks, and then the following year we hit 100 decks, and it just kept growing until we were doing 200 to 300 decks a year, and realized there was no quality railing products out there that were easy to install. They were either junk that wouldn't hold up, or they would be real complicated to install, and they still weren't strong. So we decided to look for a system that would be strong, and we couldn't find one. So in 2003, we started manufacturing our own railings and spent time designing that step by step, selling more and more railings to the point we had to drop the deck installation company, and which was hard to give up after 30 some years, and started exclusively on the railings to manufacture them, and started growing this like crazy. And we got a railing system that meets all commercial applications, and we have unrestricted use groups that actually can take this railing and put on top of the Empire State Building.
Tell me why so many people are now coming to you, not just from Pennsylvania and New Jersey, but from across the country.
We start with the highest quality materials. We try to make sure everything's made in the United States. We designed a system that was not only strong, and it had to be easy to install, so we saved time and money on installation costs in the field, and someone who didn't know what to do building a railing system can easily take this system and install it themselves. And the thing is, we do have a lot of homeowners who come in and install themselves because it is a simple, easy project to do. It doesn't require a lot of specialized tools. Most people who do handiwork can do it, and you can get a handyman, or many homeowners do it themselves without a problem. And if they do have problems, we're here 6 days a week. They can come in here and I'll go over step by step on how they can install that railing themselves.
There really couldn't be a better place to come if you're looking for decking products or you're looking for getting a fencing job done.
We have more options than anybody else. We've got people here that have been in the industry. We will spend the time to get you the information you need. We'll tell you the differences between the different types of decking, the different types of railings, or what the advantages of one product is over the other. Anything that you need, we would have here. You know, we do wood decks. We can get some exotic woods in here, and we can get the different colors. And like right now, there's over 75 different color choices in non-wood decking, so you can go crazy. Now, some of the stuff has better values because we buy directly from the manufacturer, so we cut out the middleman. There's railings that we manufacture here, both aluminum and vinyl, that we're selling for half the price of what it goes on the market. We can sell to you at the wholesale cost, and you'd be paying less than what the lumber yards are paying.
If you have a dream deck or design you have, Mario and his team can work with you. If you're a deck builder, if you are a fence contractor, what a great relationship to get your supplies and provide really the best product for the job site. Thanks again, Mario. I appreciate your time.